you for joining me on this yet another part of my Smoky Eye series, and the tutorial theme today is going to appear shocking to a lot of you because today I'm going to create smoky eyes using light colors. Now, I am a dark eyes girl. Honestly, I really love the intense, dramatic, smoldering smoky eyes. But a few months ago, I decided to challenge myself and go out of my comfort zone and use light color eyeshadows for my eye makeup. That's when I thought, why not try doing the smoky eyes with light colors too? Because honestly, smoky eyes is not just about colors, it's more a technique, and the technique is not an exact science. There are many different ways to achieve smoky eyes, and in fact, I have so far demonstrated two of my techniques. The last technique I've reserved for the last part of the series. This particular light eyeshadow application is based on the basic smoky eyes that I covered in my last tutorial, the link to which is right at the top. To create light smoky eyes look, I'm going to use Charlotte Tilbury's Iconize palette. This is quite a neat little palette which has 12 shades for 4 different eye looks. They call it Day Eyes, Date Eyes, Diva Eyes and Disco Eyes. I will be dealing with the Day Eyes this time. They have got 3 shades for each look. One to prime, the top one, the middle one is to enhance, and the bottom one is to smoke. So light, medium and dark. Interestingly, for the Date Eyes look, the enhanced shade is darker than their smoke shade. I have tried this look, to be fair, and surprisingly it works, but I think that's a bit advanced level, and maybe I'll deal with it in some other video, but for this time I'm going to stick to the basics. Since the eyeshadows are Charlotte Tilbury's, I decided to use her makeup brushes too. I've got the eye blender brush and the smudge brush that I'm going to use, but seriously, you can use any brand you want. So first, I'm going to take the blender brush and the prime shade and prime my eyelid going up to the crease. Now, eye makeup should ideally be applied with your eyes open if you can manage to do it. I have got asymmetrical eyelids, so it's more important for me because I want equal amount of the eyeshadows to show on both the sides. So I'm going to look at the mirror now and make sure that the eyeshadow that is visible is symmetrical on both the sides. My right eyelid has got a hood, so I'm going to extend the eyeshadow bit in the right eye and leave it at the crease line on my left. Then I'm going to use the enhanced shade, which is the medium color shade. So for my right eye, as the eyelid space is smaller, I'm going to go slightly above my original crease and go in a semicircular motion to create a crease. So this is where I want to fake my crease in the right side. I'm going to take some more color for my left, and for my left side, I'm going to stay almost on my original crease. No matter where you go, it's important to look at the mirror and do it so that they remain the same on both the sides. I'll take the smudge brush now because I want the same middle, medium, enhanced shade on my lower lid on the waterline. So my eyes are primed now and hopefully they're enhanced. I'm going to go to the smoke shade, which is going to be the bottom one, the darkest shade. And I'm going to take a bit of the shadow using the same blender brush, run it on the new lid area again and work on the outer V. So this is where I want the smoke shade to go, the outer V, creating a triangle. I've applied it now, I've put it on, I need to blend it. What you need to remember when you put the eyeshadow on, especially the smoke shade, is not to take it all across the crease till the inner part. You ideally take it just up to a half, and when you blend, the rest of the crease is going to be created anyway. So use back and forth windshield wiper motion. This is where most people lose their patience. It's important to recognize that you need time to blend. Time, patience, effort, like most other things in life. Outer boundary is still going to remain the same, the imaginary line between the outer corner of my eye and the tip of the tail of the eyebrow. So I'm going to extend the eyeshadow up to that line. Make sure there are no harsh lines. Keep on blending till all the lines are diffused. The upper lid is done. I'm going to take the smudge brush back again, take the smoke shade and run it on the lower waterline from the outer corner up to the middle. And if you're like me, you can consider winging it from the lower lash line, just flicking it from the lower lash line. So a cat eye look is created even without using an eye pencil or an eyeliner. Wipe off the smudge brush, now, and take a little bit of the prime shade. Because this is quite light in color, just use a tad bit on the inner corner of my eye. That makes my eye look more awake. Also, just underneath the eyebrow on the outer side to really define the eyebrows. The eyeshadow bit is done. The next thing for me to do is to use my eye pencil as an eyeliner to line my upper lash line. This is again Charlotte Tilbury's Barbarella Brown. Not a thick line this time, just keep it close to the lash line. My eyes have been lined. I'm going to use the mascara, but before that I'll just quickly curl my upper eyelashes. And then back again, Charlotte Tilbury's Full Fat Mascara. I do not like false eyelashes or eyelash extensions, but I just pile on a good mascara to give me that nice thick eyelash look. So that concludes my light smoky eyes look. I could have just piled some more smoke shade on the outer corner of my eyes to create some more depth, some more drama effect, but I decided that this looked good enough for me today. I hope you like this. For more such videos, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. In fact, next week, I'm going to come up with the easiest smoky eyes tutorial you have ever seen. So stay tuned. Bye.